Hello there, Tanmay here, and today's topic is that the most important things you need to start in the last 50 days of 2021. So let's get started with our topic. So the most important thing you have to start in the last 50 days of 2021 is that you have to start putting 2 times content that you are putting in the last 11 months, 10 months. Okay, so you have to increase your content by 2 times. So people are just people are going to use this Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, these all social media platforms more and more in coming days, because Facebook has just changed its name and is going to the next level. So we have to also increase our social presence by twice, and this is very good for, and we have lots of opportunities to grow our business on this social platform. So many people are just they're saying that they were not able to put a single story, single form of video content on these social platforms. I was telling so many people, and they were just saying that, hey, I was just thinking that people will judge me, and they will, what I don't know what they will talk about me and all. So it's that your self-esteem is so low that you think about what other people will say, and you are thinking about 10 likes and 15 likes you will get when you put your content. That's not how it works. Look at your business as a primary thing, and people and other things are secondary things. Try to understand this thing. Don't run behind likes, subscribers and followers. All these things are secondary, and people are so impatient these days that they started 2 months back and 3 months back. You don't understand the competition level is so high that you cannot immediately grow your Instagram and YouTube account to the next level. You have to put continuous effort. Consistencies matter, and patience is very important on these social media platforms. So put content. Why are you in hurry? Why are you in hurry to grow like immediately want results? Don't do this. Okay, most of the people are saying that market is saturated and that business do not have a scope on these social media platforms and digital world. And I want to ask you that how many of your competitors are making daily 2, 3, 4 videos and daily present on these social media platforms, and their audience is looking their content and consuming their content. Only 1% of your competitors are doing this. Only 1%. You have so much opportunities open now, and after 2 to 3 years these platforms will get mature and you lose the best opportunity you have. Okay, next point is that if you are not able to reach in front of the people today, then you will not able to reach in front of the most of the audience when platform will change, when algorithm will change, and everything will change. Other people will almost beat you, and you will be out of the business in 3 or 4 years if you do not start today. That's what I'm telling you. I am teaching you the most economical way in this digital world, that how you can reach in front of thousands and thousands people. It's a video marketing thing. It's so simple that you have to just explain video in systematic way, create videos in the framework, put into the framework, and these videos will work for you. You don't have to, you just have to put in work what I'm saying. You have to just replicate that things, and next thing is that you don't need, people are saying that they need lakhs of followings to become successful on these social media platforms, and I'm telling people thousands of the time that you don't need thousands and thousands of the subscribers to become a successful businessman on this digital world. If you want to be in 1%, 2% and 5% of the people on this planet, then you have to do what other 98% people are not doing. Put in work, open your office early. I open my office at 7 a.m. Why? You may say that, hey, I'm running a physical store. How can I open my office at 6 a.m. 7 a.m.? And that's what I'm trying to tell you, that put your business online, because online world is open 24/7. And if you go and put your business online, then you just do not need to open your office, your physical store. You can just open your home, wake up at 6 a.m, make lots of videos, make lots of content, just put and spread it on, distribute on your all social media platforms, and you can sell like hell if you do everything strategically. And I'm here to teach you that how you can do and leverage the power of this social media, this video content, this digital platforms to the full extent. That's what I'm telling. So start today. Only 50-60 days are remaining to 2022. Just take the advantage of these opportunities you have today. Okay, and if you like this video, you know what you have to do, and thank you.